Hi, my name is Elodie Roger, and I've been involved with the Farmland Advantage program since 2021 as the person who carries out the restoration work. The Black Creek Watershed is located in the Comox Valley, and it is, from a biodiversity perspective, very significant. It has a lot of species at risk. Amongst them, we have the purple marten, a blue-listed species, rosewood elk, and a lot of salmonid species that use Black Creek.
My name is Jill. I am the owner of Shorewolf Farm with my husband Chad. We're here in Black Creek, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. So Ione Smith, who's the program manager of Farmland Advantage, she had visited the farm and realized that I was a good potential location for the program. We have some invasive species that we're wanting to take care of. The other thing we were seeing was stream bank erosion, especially with some of the larger storms we've had more recently. In fact, we've lost portions of our fence.
In the winter, with high water velocity, the bank tends to collapse in the absence of root masses in the ground. So by planting the riparian area with deep-rooted species, we provide the riparian zone a chance to survive these winter events and to preserve their ecosystem services.
It was an amazing process. Wayne and his partner came in, walked the property, spent a great number of hours just going through, looking at all the species and coming up with a really great plan, chatting with Chad and I about how the whole process worked. And in fact, it led into us actually getting our environmental farm plan completed at the same time. So it was like a double whammy, which is great. And then after that, Elodie and her crew reached out and made a plan. Chad and I had to prep the site, get everything cleared and ready for planting. And then her and her crew came in and just worked their buns off. I'm really impressed with how many trees they were able to pack into this small area. I can't wait for them to grow up and just fill this space with more beauty. Yeah, it's been great.